Will I have a procedure for hair replacement again? With Dr. Anderson, yes. And with anyone else, no. And again, I'm not being paid to say that, but I will only trust him because I know my process with him. I know what he did for me, not what someone else. I've heard horror stories. I've seen people having big kilos. I've heard different stories where people have to go back and have another person do something that, you know, the hair loss just wasn't real. And as you can see, this is my real hair. This is nothing Dr. Anderson. It's because of Dr. Anderson I can wear my hair like this. I didn't have this until I met Dr. Anderson.